G'day guys, it's a good day today. I'm heading out to buy some mango for dinner, and just that you all know, I've been vlogging for a while, but I haven't been doing good vlogs at the moment. So yeah, it's just that I get lazy every time I start doing vlogs, and I used to want to do travel vlogs, but lately doing travel vlogs is like yeah, all hands on deck. Anyway, I'm driving. I need to put this down. So as what I've been saying, I've been trying my best to do travel vlogs lately, but the thing is, it's not working because I get busy when I'm traveling, and it's not the same. It's not like I can just draw a camera out and just feel good about it. Sometimes I'm lazy, and sometimes I just don't know what to film, and most of the times I don't plan my travels, so I end up like not planning my videos also. But anyway, let's try to do something else. Yeah, so my vlog also doesn't have any like specific genre. Like, it's not mostly like travel, it's not mostly like gear reviews, but I also do gear reviews. Yeah, I just every time I use a gear and I feel that I need to say something, I just say it. And if I think of a DIY hack, I'll just say it. So this vlog is mostly like whatever comes up to my whatever comes up to the vlog. I mean, yeah, whatever. I can't even speak well. Whatever comes up, I just put it in. And I also don't prepare for the scripts and everything. So hope you understand. This is just for fun for me. But yeah, maybe in the future I can just get a real vlog where I can put things out. So I've tried to make a bisaya version of my vlogs. This is the English version. I have a travel vlog, or maybe just a drive vlog there. And I have my business channel, so I have a lot of things in mind. The problem with that is I have a lot of things that I can't even take care of them, so I need to have a new mindset. And yeah, we'll figure things out, hopefully as soon as possible. Yeah, so for this, guys, I'm just gonna try to do my best to put up videos for this channel, and I don't want any genre. I don't want, because I'm still not yet there. I don't know what I'm gonna what I'm gonna put in my vlogs. This channel was supposed to teach me how to edit, teach me how to be comfortable in the camera, teach me also how to deal with my camera, because I'm mainly a photographer. I did videos, and yeah, I've gone a long way from shooting videos. Then I also have a drone channel where I love flying drones, and I separated that, but I put them up here sometimes. But yeah, bottom line is this vlog doesn't have any genre. This is anything. This is just me posting anything that I can think of. So hopefully you support me or anything. If you have anything in mind, just tell me, and we'll figure things out. Yeah. Anyway, I need to go to the Asian shop right now because it might be closing. I need to buy some mango. Yeah. Yeah, one more thing. I had this opportunity to go to a place like this accommodation back in Cebu, and it's my friend's place, and it was so nice and it was so good. But yeah, I wanted to do a review video. I think I did, but I might have posted anything. But anyway, I wanted to do that, but I just didn't feel like I'm good enough. The place was so good, and I can't even contain myself. So that went fine. Didn't go well. That was not what I really wanted. But yeah, props to that. I want to thank my friend out there, 1010, for letting me stay in this place. I just need to put up a lot of things about that place. That's so good. That's near a waterfall. That's near a river, and has a deck. Has a pool. That's one of my dream homes. Even the dining area is so perfect. So yeah, love the place, man. Before I go in, I realized I was playing my trekking wolf humming thing. I hope I don't get demonetized with that. Shit. Always tuna. Got some stuff also here. I need to get some kamatis or tomatoes. I'm gonna get in Woolies here in Baronia, but I'm just gonna leave my camera here because it's just a lot. Yeah, quick ones. One thing that's sticking in the box today is that I just renewed my gym membership, and yeah, I'll be heading to the gym later, I think. Need to drive back home. Anyways, yeah. I mean, I should, but the thing is, I have to look for my fob. I wish it's still there. Just got back home, waiting for the car to clear. I'm gonna drive in there. There you go. I just got back home. I need to get things done, get a lot of things done. Yeah, so many things to do. Yeah, might see you later. I don't know. Also, I need to like edit some backlog wedding photos and also some vlogs. So I'll be trying to finish. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll try to finish my vlog regarding my video regarding the A7 IV and also the ZV-1, which I just sold. Goodbye to that good thing. So light. A7C it is. So I've just decided to make this vlog a bit with. Okay. So I've just decided to make this vlog have a bit of substance. So yeah, what I'm trying to say earlier is that yeah, I've been trying to vlog. I've been trying to do a lot of things, and it's been very hard for us. Like vloggers, not really vloggers, but content creators. They call it content creators because it sounds much better. Content creators try to make content. They try to prepare, try to make something nice for you to watch. Like they try to take time to film themselves, buy expensive gears, try to do content that you will enjoy, but not all those contents you will enjoy. Like I for myself look at other content creators and they're like crap. But anyway, I give props to all those content creator or YouTubers or filmmakers or whatever out there who's trying their best to do videos and they're having a hard time. Just don't give up, keep on doing, just like what I'm doing, because yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy preparing content, trying to film it, trying to edit it, trying to get gears to use to film and everything else, and prepare everything. And the idea also, it's not you do it yourself, like unless for those people who are in production, who has a big production. But for me, I just do it myself. I film myself. I humiliate myself. I enjoy it myself also. Oh, other people may be enjoying it. But anyway, yeah, I just want to give props to all those guys out there who are content creating, and yeah, keep up the good work. To those who does crappy contents, please, yeah, make it better, man. Like not those dumb pranks and so bad douchey stuffs. But anyway, enough of that. Yeah, just want to give props to all you guys and keep up the good work. You're good. Anyway, I gotta get to work now. So see you later, guys.